Now don't blink. This is 40 grams of humble white rice, but we're about to turn it into a comfort food legend. Rice. It starts small, but it ends up filling bowls and souls alike. Meet 25 grams of castor sugar. Think of it as the fairy dust that makes everything magical. We're not just sweetening, we're sprinkling smiles. Here comes 275 grams of whole milk, sliding in like a velvet wave. If milk could sing, it'd be crooning right now. All right, that might be me humming. And 275 milliliters of single cream, dancing a slow waltz with the milk. Together, they're the dynamic duo of decadence. Move over Batman and Robin, it's cream and milk's time to shine. 10 grams of butter, melting like your resistance to just one more scoop. Watch it sizzle, no smoke, just pure buttery promise. 1 cinnamon stick, or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon if you're lazy like me at 2 a.m. This spice brings warm hugs from the inside out. A teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon of mixed spice, for that extra kick that says, I know how to party in your pantry. First, toss that rice into a saucepan. Give it a quick toast, just until it starts whispering sweet nothings. Then pour in the milk and cream. It'll look like a dairy waterfall. Stir and let the groove of our background track keep you in rhythm. As bubbles gather, sneak in the butter. Watch it melt, swirl, and vanish, kind of like my socks in the dryer. Add the cinnamon stick. It's like dropping the beat in a song. Everything changes from good to great. Now the sugar. 1 spoonful at a time, like you're feeding marshmallows to a campfire. Stir gently, coaxing sweetness into every kernel of rice. Follow up with nutmeg and mixed spice. Imagine you're summoning cozy memories of Grandma's kitchen, only without the chore list she handed you. Lower the heat and let it simmer. This is where patience pays off. Stir every so often, no abandoning your pot like it's the laundry pile. Keep it moving, keep it creamy. See that texture transforming? From thin soup to luscious velvet. That's the power of heat, spice, and a little love. Fish out the cinnamon stick, unless you want to surprise your teeth later. Then ladle the pudding into your prettiest bowls. If you've only got coffee mugs, no judgment here. Finish with a whisper of nutmeg on top. It's like signing your masterpiece. Now step back and behold the glory of creamy rice pudding. This, my friends, is comfort in a bowl. It's sweet, it's spiced, it's velvety, and it'll make you believe in dessert miracles. Thank you for joining me on Learn TV Worldwide. If your heart and stomach are singing, follow us at Learn TV Worldwide for more mouth-watering adventures. I'll see you next time when we take another ordinary ingredient and turn it into magic.